Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will be looking at your energy starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video, we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, let's see for my Scorpios starting from 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Scorpios, please. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Scorpios. Let's see. We have the Hierophant at the back of the deck. This is your overall energy. So you might be feeling like, you might be getting married to a person. You might be feeling that your person could be making you feel a little orthodox. So there's some kind of a rigidness which I feel, and and you are involved in a marriage or a love situation where you're going to get married to a person, something like that. Something huge is coming up basically. Okay, in the past we have Page of Cups, Seven of Cups and Three of Cups. So definitely there was love in past energies. It could be like a celebration where it could be an engagement. It could be like sending of love messages to each other. The time was pretty well beautiful time. You could have seen a lot of people at that time, and then for some of you it could be an arranged marriage where you saw many people and you were like, let's go with this person, and you actually chit chatted with this new person, and it was like a celebration event in that situation. Okay, yeah, for some of you it could be decision making, if not for a marriage thing, but definitely a decision making in the past. um, but we will clarify what that is. In the present, we have Nine of Wands, Three of Swords and Three of Pentacles. There is a person who is actually blocking a situation. It could be you, it could be your person as well, but definitely there's like guards being down by you or by your person. Like there could be a heartbreak or in the situation. All of a sudden you always felt that this person is your everything, and but something happened, something big happened. It could be like a breakup. Okay, and out of you both, somebody is trying to mend that situation. Like, let's just talk together, let's just make it happen. Like, why we are not together, why is this happening like this? So you are in that situation right now where you do not know what that person wants, and what you know what you want, but you are not understanding, you're not able to understand what that person wants and why this thing has actually happened. In the coming future, we have Ten of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and the Moon. Okay, I'm going to clarify this Moon because this is something fishy, but I have one more feeling where this thing is going to work out. Yeah, this is a feeling of things going to work out, and basically you already know that it's going to work out. That is the intuition. Your heart is saying like, this is not a big deal, like, I will make it happen. I will make my lady, or I will make my man to come back in my life, and I will make it happen because this was a pure bond between both of you. Wow, I am just having very, very positive vibes in this reading. I don't know, but like a bond which was meant to be together, you know. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Hierophant, please. Tell me more about the Hierophant. Why the Hierophant is here in the overall energy for my Scorpios. King of Cups, see Scorpio energy, Death, Scorpio and Capricorn energy. and yeah, more Capricorn energy, and Three of Wands. Wow. Okay, so it feels like, yeah, there is lots and lots of love. I think that somewhere, either all the Scorpios are very, very loving and they know how to express, but somehow you are not able to express your love, or your person is not able to express their love to you. Somebody is actually waiting for the other person to come and talk to the other person, okay? Because of some communication problem over here, the one person feels like it's the end of the situation. I don't know who this is, but yeah, one person definitely feels that there is an end, but the other person is actually feeling to actually waiting for you, or you are waiting for them to come and talk to each other. Show me your love. If you really love me, show it to me, okay? I might have blocked you, but I really want you to connect to me. I really want you to talk to me. So message me or talk to me or just come and meet me. So this is that message from the other person towards you. They're waiting for you. Okay. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups energy in the past. Seven of Cups, please. We have Four of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Star. Wow, this could be a reconciliation from with the past person also, there where you have actually felt, you are showing gratitude to the universe that wow, I finally I'm back with my person. If not that, there is definitely a person in your life which actually, we're finding true love, and all of a sudden, like, I always manifested this kind of love, and now boom, this the same person which I was manifesting is in front of me, because there's a lot of delays and there's a lot of resting period before you met this person. That is what it is. It was like a celebration for you. Wow, I finally met the exact person I have always wanted, or you have reconciled with an old person, past person. Why is this blocking energy coming up? What is up with this Nine of Wands? Why this Nine of Wands is here? Judgment, Nine of Swords, and Six of Swords. This is definitely a kind of awakening from the past situations. I feel that either one of you could have known about your person, about their past, or your past is in front of them, and one of you is not able to accept something in relation with the past. Although the things have been ended, the things are done with the past, the lessons have been learned, but there's one person who is still holding on to the past. See how this person is actually looking towards the past, see, they're looking towards the past, like, I am not able to allow you until and unless you will exactly tell me. So there's no moving on from that situation. Whatever this past situation is, either it's there in their thoughts, or it's something related with the past, and this person is not letting go of that past situation. Tell me more about the Three of Swords. Ten of Wands, the Tower, and Justice. My God, this is huge. Yeah, okay. This is a time of karmic imbalances which is going on actually. Things might be huge. You might be even feeling that, what are you saying? We are going to get back together. How is this possible? Because the situation of us is literally like, it's towards the end, and we can never be together. It's really hard because this person is not ready to let go of that situation, and now you are saying that, um, that we will get back together. How is this even possible? I know you might be feeling that, but I am just saying what the cards are saying. Okay, so let me clarify. Let's see. Tell me about this moon energy. I don't know what this is, but this is something. Eight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Yeah, this is definitely a feeling of being left out in the cold with your person. You know, this is how you both are going to get back together. Why? This is an intuition feeling more, because this is something, you know, all of a sudden when you, what exactly is happening is, because of the past thing, it's like it's really hard for either one of you to move on. But when the past things will be resolved, or when you will actually start to analyze that was I doing, what I was even thinking, that past thing is in the past, it doesn't even matter now. So then that person will realize that, you know, that void, that space in the mind, in the heart, like this person actually loved me, this person was actually working on our relationship, and what did I do? I just left this person out in the cold. How is this possible? Four of Wands. See, this is the best you can have, Scorpio. I really loved your reading today, because you could be dealing with a Capricorn over here, or a Libra, the Scorpio, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces, Aquarius, Aries, yeah, so another water sign. Yeah, Pisces again. Okay, so Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. So I was saying that this is one of your best readings so far, because no matter how much ups and downs you are facing right now, this is going to work out. Okay, so I'm really happy for you today, Scorpios. I hope this reading helped you, and this is all from my side. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.